How to delete backup photos from Google account. To delete the backup photos from Google account, first you have to disable the backup settings in the Google Photos app. What you want to do is open the Google Photos app onto your device. Click the initials at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and go to Photo Settings. As soon as you go to Photo Settings, what here you need to do is click on Backup and make sure to toggle the backup off. Once you've turned off the backup, then what you could do is, after which you just want to go ahead and what you have to do is open up the browser on your phone. Now you cannot do this from your app, so you have to go to photos.google.com. As you go to photos.google.com, it's going to take you to their official page here. Now what you want to do is simply tap on the menu bar, and then you could just go ahead and simply select the three dot icon, click on select all photos. Once you've selected the photos, you just want to go ahead and make sure to select it just like that. Make sure to mark on it and then click on delete, and then you will be able to see move to bin, right? So for permanently deleting, you could just click on the move to bin button, and this is how you'll be able to delete backup photos from Google Photos. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.